you left me out. Yep. Alright, I got the first jump put up. Alright, who's gonna jump it first? I will. Okay, champion. Go. Oh, that was easy. Alright, who's next? I'll go. Okay, Circus, don't let your clumsiness stuff hurt you now. I won't. I'll be really sure not to be clumsy. Well, that didn't work out so well. It's okay. I'm pretty sure you can get better. Alright, your turn, Janie. Alright, here I go. Alrighty. Alright guys, I got the other piece up. Alright, champion, go. Good job, Circus. Oh. Poor Circus. She's so clumsy. Okay. Did I make it? Your turn, Janet. Yeah. Why are you putting a wagon wheel out there? Well, they're hard to jump over. Yeah. Try jumping over that. Oops. Okay, who's first? I'll go. Alright, champion. Good luck. Woohoo! That worked out awesome. My turn. Watch how the real champions do it. Oh. Real champions, alright. Okay. I meant to do that. I'm pretty sure she did. Alright, Janet, your turn. Okay. I made it over, but I knocked it over. I won. I won. I won. Haha, I'll beat you next time. I'm getting better. Yeah, I still won though. Making up excuses. No, I'm not. I tripped. It takes skill to trip over flat surfaces. But excuses. You're just mad I won. My hooves are burning, baby. Burning. It's okay. I'm pretty sure you can win next time. Champion! That's my mom. I gotta go. Come on, Caramel. What did you call me? I didn't call you nothing. I definitely didn't call you Caramel. What? Just because that's my coat doesn't mean I'm Caramel. My name is Camo. Don't even Caramel. Hey. See you guys later. That was fun. Oh yeah, let's go home. Wait. Huh? Well, I was gonna go home because there's nothing else to do. We gotta go to Holly's race. I mean, Katie's. Blech. Too many people. Oh yeah. Whoopsie. I hope we didn't miss it. Let's put this stuff up and get going. Okay. Can we have a lunch break? No. We can eat there. Okay. And then the frog said, and then he said ribbit to the other frog. Yes, dear, I've heard that millions of times. You have? But that was a new one. It had a purple frog in it. And the last time it was a green frog, and the last time before that it was a blue frog, and the last time before that it was a rainbow frog that pooped out gumballs. Or what was it? Jelly beans? Yeah. What's next? One with the unicorn head on it? Actually, that was a you know, that's actually a pretty good idea. I mean, it could fly and stuff. Yep, that's very interesting.